My name is Rachel. My mother and father have participated in the Nexalin treatments. When my mother first came in, she has had 2 concussions and some severe stress issues and anxiety. After completing 15 sessions of Nexalin, she has expressed just feeling a sense of peace. Overall, she looks more peaceful. On a long trip back from North Carolina to Colorado, where my mother used to have a phobia of driving over bridges, she actually was able to drive over a bridge and not even think about it until after she got on the other side, that it didn't even bother her, and where normally her hands sweat and she feels this dread in the pit of her stomach, it was not there. As far as anxiety, she has expressed that it's none, and that she is actually able to, for the first time in over a decade, sleep peacefully. She was on Ambien for 6 years and would end up waking up during the Ambien, has been off of it for quite a few years and just dealing with not being able to sleep, and now she has had restful nights and full sleep since beginning the Nexalin. My mother has also expressed that things that normally used to get her stressed out with just natural work and things, she just no longer feels that natural angst when things that normally would overwhelm her are no longer there, and overall she just feels sharper. She's able to recall quicker and feels more organized. As far as my dad goes, he completed a minimal amount of sessions. He didn't report feeling any different. However, my mother has expressed that she sees him sleeping better and that he appears to be more rested. I would definitely recommend Nexalin treatment offered at Genesis. It has changed my mother's life for the better, and we are hoping to have the same impact with some additional family members.